Hello folks, welcome to my channel. It's me Pushpit Roy and you are watching NoishiXzen. So you can see I already opened my channel. If you're the new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification for more updates. You will definitely find your valuable tutorials and free projects for Sketchware. So let's get started. So in this video we're going to see if it possible to imagine and create something like that, like Zomato or Swiggy application, by getting your current position from your Geo-Locator and opening different screens or different activities. So I already created this project and you will definitely find it from my description link. Just visit my blog and download this .swv file. You also can easily install in your Sketchware professional application. The installation process in this description. So let's get started. So you can see in this page there is 3 different activities. First one is main activity. This activity contains 2 linears there, then 3, then 4. Complete 4 linears with one text view. This text view gives you the current position, and then will be like GPS provider and internet provider. Another button is connected with accessing these activities, like after loaded your successfully your data. When you press this button, it like redirect and decided which location or which country you are now. So for this example I have used 2 different countries. I name it like India and Indonesia, and I contain one text view for identifying these activities. In this component section you will find location manager. You simply create component from this add component section, and the second one is like intent to move within your activities. Third one will be like timer component, and the lastly we have shared preference to save the location. Now move on to Oncreate Activity. In this Oncreate Activity, go to component section and add this block like request location. This request location within GPS provider, so it will give you the default location providing system. Move back to view activity. You will find different type of buttons except tutorial. I have inputted this button for your helping guide later. The first button works like, second button also works like same, but this buttons has only one difference. First one only get the providing your type address like GPS provider. The rest will be like same. Second button works like the same as the first one, but only provider is different. And the third button is more interesting like previous one, because this button is the real work and function. So before we fix it, let's move to more block and import this special mode block for get your current location within in your string variables. So make sure you have created these string variables like city, address, PC means pin code, KN and then state and country. So we are using str country. Now go to component section, press this plus icon, go there and add location component. On location changed, add this more block value like get location, the current lat or longitude. In this text view we have made it like text view set text your country join with str country, means when it detects your country it shows the current country. Then we save this country because we don't want to change this current country like the accuracy or recalibrations. So we set the current position in a shared preference component, name it like key. Now visit the third block or third button. In this third button I have made it like after getting the location after 2000 ms it gives you some toast like loading. Then if the shared preference key equals to India then it shows you India, or else it shows you Indonesia, or if these both not detected then it gives you error message. So it's completely done. Now I'm going to run this application and shows you the result. But because I'm now currently in India, so it only gives you India. So if you're rest from this world, like if you're from Indonesia, it gives you Indonesia. So let's run it. Make sure you have created those string variables or it don't compile. Now open. First of all, it requires one additional access location for your device location. Now give some permission. Now it shows my country name India because it already detected. If you want to reposition me, you can also use this internet provider or GPS provider because it already been loaded. So we're going to talk about ready. Now press ready, showing the result. So that's all for this tutorial. So yeah, I guess it will help you and you will provided this project file free from my description. Go there and download it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. If you have any problem or issues you can comment below. Thank you.